Introducing the Modern Romantic 1.00 CTTW Pink Heart Solitaire in Deep Charcoal. This is an IGI-certified, lab-grown masterpiece set in 14K white gold. A singular vision. The stone is a 1.00 carat pink heart lab-grown diamond. The setting is a light-maximizing three-prong martini profile in 14K white gold. This piece is strictly limited, with only one currently in stock. The craft features 14K white gold with a rhodium finish, providing durability and an icy sheen. It includes a secure three-prong grip to maximize the visible diamond surface. The precision heart cut is graded very good for optimal symmetry and light return. Engineering brilliance is found in the martini profile. Unlike traditional basket settings, this tapered V-shape exposes maximum pavilion facets to ambient light. This results in less metal, a closer fit, and superior brilliance. Commanding, yet refined, the combined pendant dimensions are 7x4 by 14 millimeters. It is substantial enough to be a statement piece, yet delicate enough for effortless, everyday wear. The gemological passport verifies the details. Certified by the International Gemological Institute, the diamond is lab-grown with Si1, Si2 clarity and color-treated for a vibrant pink hue. Quality and origin are fully documented. The wearability matrix explains the 18-inch chain. An 18-inch princess length sits perfectly at the collarbone and is the most versatile everyday length, pairing flawlessly with almost all necklines. Experience flawless integration across various necklines. The 18-inch drop naturally follows V-neck and mirrors the curved silhouette of the scoop neck. It maintains ideal proportion for crew neck and high neck styles. This piece is ready for the moment. The Pink Heart Solitaire ships securely packaged in a premium presentation box. Enjoy a frictionless and secure acquisition process. We offer encrypted checkout and flexible payment options, including major cards and stablecoin via Coinbase Commerce. Secured delivery with signature confirmation is included, backed by a 30-day return window. This is the perfect convergence of documented rarity, architectural craft, and immediate availability. This strict one-of-one opportunity is a distinctive statement in modern fine jewelry, ready for acquisition. Acquire the 1.00 CTTW Pink Heart Solitaire. It is available for immediate, secure checkout. For client contact, please email contact@Bijoux-NYC Direct.com.